It is a vegan brand. It's a hydrating formula, so that means it's long wearing, medium coverage, great for all skin. And if you're new here on my channel, I review and demo makeup foundation so you don't have to. Today's video, we're going to talk about foundation recommendation for dry skin. I worked at Ulta as a beauty consultant before, and today I wanted to share some of my makeup foundations that I would recommend for dry skin. Some of these foundations can be purchased at Ulta and Sephora, and I will let you know which ones are only at Ulta. The foundation we're going to start off is the Smashbox, which can be purchased at Sephora and Ulta. The Smashbox foundation is the hydrating foundation. It's 24-hour wear, which is long wearing, oil-free, and comes in 40 colors. And it's also a vegan brand. It dries down to a natural matte finish, and it doesn't oxidize. It claims to be water resistant and does not transfer. When someone says oxidize, think of a MAC foundation. Most MAC foundations do oxidize. Whereas you try it on and it fits your skin, then later on you see that it does not match. That's when you call foundation oxidized. So I suggest when trying different foundations, especially MAC foundations, I have a MAC foundation and it does oxidize. I suggest that you get them to try it on, give you a swatch or give you a half face, then go about your day, come back about 5 or 10 minutes later and look in the sunlight to see if it's your complexion. Or sometimes you may want to go one shade lighter and then wait and see if that color fits you, if that makes any sense. Our next foundation is, you can pick up from Sephora. This is a new foundation. It's not an oldie but goodie, but this is a new foundation, which is the Patrick Star one size turn up base powder foundation. Comes in 32 colors, comes in 32 shades. It's a vegan brand, comes in a pressed powder form. It's a soft matte finish, medium to full coverage with a buttery texture. Claims to last up to 12 hours. Sephora and Ulta, which is the Anastasia Luminous Foundation. It comes in 50 shades. It is a vegan brand. It's a hydrating formula, so that means it's long wearing, medium coverage, great for all skin types. This foundation is good for dullness and uneven texture, also anti-aging. When I say dullness of the skin, you know how sometimes you want just to have a little glow to your skin? This will bring that glow to your skin. That's why it's called luminous. It has some stuff in it that might make your skin glow. So that's why it's called luminous. So it brings your skin back to life, brings your skin texture back to life, if that makes sense. Uneven texture. So it can be purchased at Ulta Beauty. And it is the It's Cosmetic Bye Bye Moisturizer. It comes in 12 shades. It's lightweight, covers dark spots and blemishes, also smooths out wrinkles and fine lines. So just imagine using their Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, which is amazing by the way, on your face without any creasing. That's what this foundation does. I think I'm going to review this foundation next. I'm going to have to see if I want to review that foundation. I think I may. And see how it works. Because I love the concealer. The concealer is wonderful. The next foundation we're going to talk about can be purchased at Sephora and Ulta. Which is the Vanessa Merrick's Yummy Skin Serum. It comes in 26 colors. It is a vegan brand. The next foundation we're going to talk about can be purchased from Sephora and Ulta Beauty. That is the Vanessa Merrick's Yummy Skin Serum. It comes in 26 shades. It is a vegan brand, a hydrating and radiant finish with a medium coverage, and also it's refillable. So with this bottle, you can also buy the refills, and that way you have the pump top, which is a plus because most foundations like MAC, you can bring the packages back and you can get a credit towards purchasing something new. So I think that was pretty awesome of her foundation. I have to try that one too. So next we have Dior. The next foundation can be purchased at Sephora, and it is the Dior Backstage. It comes in 40 shades. It is a natural finish with a medium buildable coverage. It's lightweight and waterproof. Great for all skin types. Last but not least, we have Fenty Beauty Hydration Foundation. It comes in 17 shades. The shade variety with the hydration foundation is not like the regular Fenty Beauty foundation shades. It doesn't come in so many shades, so it comes in only 17. And it is a vegan brand. It's a natural finish. It gives you a medium coverage. It's long wear and great for normal, dry, and combination skin, which is always a plus because you always have something that can work for everyone, which is a plus for that brand. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment box below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it. And I do thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.